have no idea, but let's do it.
Okay, yeah.
3, 2, 1.
And through the stick to your butt, please. Okay. Adjustment, please. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
Three,
Okay.
2,
Calm down.
1.
Okay. Okay. Go.
Half back.
Okay.
3,
2, 1.
3,
2, 1.
Up.
2, 1. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay.
Keep up.
Okay. Good. Okay. Good. Wow. Okay. Stop.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Great. Great. Great thing.
You have no idea how happy I was to pass.
You do very good. Wow.
I'm spending some time with the Air Force to find out more about South Korea's aim to be a military powerhouse. In the last year, it has tested an array of new weapons and even sent its first rocket into space. But that's fueled fears of an arms race in Asia. The country is one of only 5 in the world to train its own pilots on homegrown jets. But what's it like to fly in one? I don't know how I feel. Want my mammy? Okay, see ya.
So I'm scared, but okay, so I just need to breathe, right?
Yeah, right. Just breathe first.
From the sky, South Korea monitors movements in the north.
But the country is now spending so much on defence, perhaps shouldn't come as a surprise, because they're still officially at war with North Korea. Here in the skies over the country, there have also been increasing air incursions from Russia and from China.
These incursions are usually a show of strength, aimed less at Seoul, but more at its ally, the United States.
Are you ready?
What are we going to do now?
Yeah, another roar.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
South Korea relies on the US to shield it from any potential war, but President Donald Trump described it as freeloading, even demanded more money to have troops based here. This made some question Washington's commitment to Seoul and prompted calls for the country to build up its own defences.
Okay, just a turn. Each turn. Okay?
So you want me to do a turn?
The Major even lets me fly the T-50 jet.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah?
Okay, make a right turn. Each right.
Only a slight right-hand turn to get a feel of how to handle the aircraft. South Korea is feeling its own way too, slowly taking control over the future of its forces. And despite assurances from Washington that the alliance does remain strong, the country's showing no signs of turning back.